Want to write your first program without knowing how to code? It's called vibe coding. You just describe what you want, let the AI write it. Let's make a hello world in about 30 seconds. Step 1, open Claude. You can use the Claude app, Claude AI, in your browser, or you can just Claude code right inside your terminal. Step 2, just ask. Type, write a Python program that prints hello world. That's the whole prompt. Plain English, no jargon. Step 3, Claude writes the code for you. One line, print hello world. You didn't have to memorize a thing. Step 4, run it, and there it is. Hello world. Printed right on your screen. You just coded without technically coding. That's vibe coding. Follow Browning PC for more quick tech wins, and tell me what we should build next, if you want.